How to delete your Instagram account. Hello everyone, welcome. In this video I will show you guys how to do this. Just follow me in this video till the end. So first guys, you need to open your Instagram. Then your Instagram will open directly on your homepage. So right now what you should do, come to your profile. So right now here on your profile, come to this three line at the top of the screen, and right now you should come to settings and privacy. So right here, click on account center, and right now go to personal detail. Go right now to account ownership and control, and click on the activation or deletion. So right now choose your Instagram and click here delete account and click continue. After this your account will be deleted. So that's it in this video. I hope it's useful for you. Don't forget to like, also subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.